Here we're finding the zeros of the function f of x equals 10x squared minus 15x plus 5. Now the zeros are the same thing as the roots or the x-intercept. So it's when y, or the output, in this case it's f of x, will be equal to 0. So we set the left side equal to 0. And then with the right side, we're just going to factor it. So when we want to start factoring, we'll see that the a term, this coefficient in front of the x squared, is a 10. Now that's generally not going to be great for factoring, but we can see if there's a greatest common factor to remove. So 10 is 5 times 2. We've got 15 and 5. Each of those also has a 5 in them. So we can pull 5 out of every term, which means we divide every term by 5. We're left with 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. From there, we want to factor this trinomial even further. So we think what times what could give us 2x? Well, that'd be 2x times x. And we've got a positive constant term, which means it's either two negatives or two positives. In this case, they add up to a negative, so it's going to be two negatives. Then you think, what could you multiply to get 1? Well, the only whole numbers would be 1 and 1. So we've got 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. If you want to check if you factor that right, just FOIL it out. So this is all equal to 0. 0 equals 5 times these two factors. If we're multiplying three things and their product is 0, one of those factors is equal to 0. 5 is never equal to 0, so you don't have to worry about that. But 2x minus 1 could equal 0. Just solve for x. So add 1 to both sides. 2x equals 1. And then we want to solve for x, not 2x, so divide both sides by 2. And you get that x equals 1/2. So that's one solution. And then over here we have x minus 1, which is equal to 0 when x equals positive 1. So our two solutions are 1/2 and 1.